see you.
Hi. Can I hold it?
No, because we are going home. So, we are leaving Buffalo after, what, 5 days here? Going to stop at Roscoe. We'll get there with 1%. That's not too bad, right? 250 miles. That's not bad. I think we're going to get there with a lot more than 1%. Roscoe, it's only a 150, but it has bathrooms. So we'll be stopping there. I think we could go further than Roscoe.
It's already... Okay, let me check.
What?
It's already saying 1% and you're saying we could go further?
Yeah, because it says 250 miles. We'll see. We'll see. It's like stay below 63 miles an hour, but a good chunk of this we're going to be below 63 miles an hour because we got to drive local. All right. You ready to go home, Kayo?
Yeah. My money.
Your play money.
Yes.
Oh, I don't have to tell you. White. Oops. Planes. Let's see what time we'll get home. Roscoe's at 150, but we don't have, we're going to be there for a while anyway.
Now turn right onto Middlebury Lane.
Yeah, it says 17 minutes. Stop for 17 minutes. It's going to be 58 degrees when we get to Roscoe. So we're all in shorts. Well, we're in shorts and sandals. All right. Ready to get going? Me too. We'll go home about 8 o'clock. That sounds good. Look, it's starting to rain now. Oh, you can't see it through the camera, but it's starting to rain. All right, time to get going, right? Here in Roscoe, New York, pulled in at 5%. Let's see. Since our last charge, 262 miles on 95%. That's pretty good. So we're here at the V2. Gotta wait here for 25 minutes to continue trip. We're gonna go inside Roscoe Diner to get something to eat because Kaio's starving. You know, I think I'm gonna have his fries.
No!
Eh.
I don't want to hold it. Stop.
If you hold my camera, I eat your fries.
No!
Alright, let's go inside. Alright guys, been here at Roscoe Diner for, like an hour now. Like literally right over an hour. Charged up to 99%. So that means we'll get home with 62%. So don't even have to charge when we get back home. Alright, I ate Kaio fries. They were very good. I was like...
No!
No?
No, and we got soda.
Yes, we got soda. Alright, let's get Waze on. We're here at this V2. It didn't really matter if we were or not because we charged up to 99%. Like we just finished eating and changing the baby and all that. Had these people next to us. Parked literally right next to us even though all other spots were open. And their charging rate is probably slow. But it didn't bother us because when they plugged in, we were already high enough that our rate had already dipped. So they're gonna be charging for a little minute because 72 kilowatts on an 82 kilowatt hour battery or however large a Model Y battery is, not fun. Anyway, been raining, overcast all day today. You can see how packed the car is. Alright.
Alright.
Let's go. You got your seatbelt?
Oh. Seatbelt, everybody. What?
Yeah. Alright. Back onto the highway.
Alright.
Toca pedir y me vacila 10 de 100. Ahora es pussy retrega constantemente. She's smoking glass, casi que rats. Mi nombre por tu ciudad. Baby, sigue que lo escuché el vecino atrás. Let's hop and cash. Y si preguntan la que hay, she want it, I got it, y acabo de fixar. Let's go to class, la partidita al solitario. You're a double round, yeah. Eso que tiene duplicado, yeah. Muévemelo para el otro lado, no, que se amontone. Tranquilo, suéltame los botones. Los mamas y a mí me se mosconen. Todas las posiciones. Oh no, otro cero. Ruge bien si lo meto un aguacero. BBM, very big monetero. Quieren dinero, fundiendo cobre la que hay. Que no anda a correr la que hay. Fundiendo cobre la que hay. Que no anda a correr la que hay.
made it back home from Buffalo. 357 miles plus, I think 6 or 12 miles to that. 289 watt-hour per mile. Not bad considering that it's 60 degrees. We had the AC / heat running at all times, so not bad at all. This last stint from Roscoe to here in White Plains, 107 miles, 2 hours. The weather was really bad at times, but overall pretty good. I know it's dark outside now, but car overall looks good. A lot of those bugs came off the front from all that rain we had. Yep, the car looks good. Needs a wash though. I'm gonna wash it in the next bit. Trunk is full for me to tackle. So we're gonna do this one piece at a time. Alright guys, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and I'll talk to you guys later.